Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to save or download video without watermark on TikTok. Firstly, open the TikTok app and play the video you want to download. Tap the share icon and then select copy link. Now go to Google Play Store or App Store on iOS and search for TikTok video download no watermark. Download the well-rated app like SnapTik, TikSave or SSS TikTok. Make sure to read reviews and ensure the app is trustworthy. Now open the downloaded TikTok app and paste the copied TikTok link in the text field. Choose the no watermark option, then tap download. The video will be saved to your phone's gallery or downloads folder without the TikTok watermark. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.